Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Sri Banerjee, epidemiologist, biostatistician, faculty member. And in this segment, I'm going to be going over a certain writing style known as APA. Now, I want to briefly tell you that APA is not the only citing resource and method. There's additional ones like AMA, Vancouver, and some other types of styles. However, again, we're taking a look at the APA. So what I'm going to be telling you about is how to how to arrange and how to label APA tables and figures. And this is a Purdue website, um, and you can access this anytime you want. So first of all, this is an APA table. As you can see, there's not that many borders as a regular table. And the most important thing that I want you to pay attention to, is to differentiate tables versus figures. This is a table, obviously, and you should label it as such. So you can write table 1, and then the label for the title that is descriptive for the table. And then if you want to put some notes, you italicize note. Basically, what I'm wanting you to notice is that what to italicize. Sometimes people will italicize table 1 and not italicize the title. So when you're looking at the elements of a table, number all tables with Arabic numerals sequentially. Do not use suffix letters like 3A, 3B, 3C. Instead, combine the related tables if you're wanting to do that. And then if you want to appendix tables, identify them with capital letters. Now, another thing that I want you to be aware of is that when you do have a table, you want to make sure that the table is actually described within the narrative. And then let's take a look at this title, and this is the title of the paper should be italicized. Now, that's not something that is really looked at that closely. However, one possibly want to use this. Something else I want to bring to your attention, because a lot of students use statistical tests, is that when you have a p-value, that p-value is italicized. Many students ask me, what portion of this is italicized? Well, the p in p-value is italicized. The other thing is, if you have p less than 0.05, you want to put an asterisk there. And then if it's p less than 0.01, this is a double asterisk, and then p less than 0.001 is a triple asterisk. And then if you want to distinguish between one-tailed, two-tailed, things like that, then this is you kind of write the same way, and PDP there is italicized. So that's about what there is about tables. There's a checklist that you can go through, making sure that this is necessary. Are all comparable tables presented consistently? Are all tables numbered with Arabic numerals in the order they are mentioned? And are all tables referred to the text? And that's what I was telling you about. It needs to be referred in the text, or else you don't necessarily need the table. Now, again, tables versus figures. Figures usually have, for instance, a graph. Again, you write down figure 1. And something else I want you to note, even with tables that I didn't go over, is that figure 1 in and of itself is bolded. And then the description is italicized. But you want to label this as figure, not table. Sometimes students get confused about this. Let's just go to the table again. The word table is bolded. So you can actually add legends and some other things. And then here's a checklist. You want to go through this. Is the figure simple, clean, and free of extraneous detail? I would just go through these figure checklist, table checklist to make sure that you have the pertinent information there. I hope this has made some sense. Thank you for listening.